Mr. Dream Boy, ano kaya ang nasa isip mo? Mr. Dream Boy, lagi kang nasa panaginip ko.
Sarap ang bike. Bago pa lang sa YouTube channel na ginawa ko. Baka naman please don't forget to like, share, hit the notification bell, subscribe. Maraming salamat po guys sa muli natin program.
Lake.
Ito, nakalabas na kami sa airbase. Papunta na ng guys. Bago ka lang sa YouTube channel ko, please subscribe to YouTube channel Mr. 3.66, and don't forget to click the notification bell para laging update sa mga video ina-upload. Yan yung ginagawa dyan lake ko. Hindi makita, walang tubig. No water. So far, no water. Ang ating pilot for today, Mr. Joseph Kabalakat. Shout out. And your Mr. Dream Boy 66. Ako pilot. Alright. Today our climate here very cloudy. A lake here before, a lot of water, but now we will see. Oh, there is water, small water. There's some water. Before, too much water. Now small only. Yesterday raining, a lot of water drops from the rain. Strong rain here yesterday. Ang panahon natin ngayon makulimlim, maulap ang kalangitan. Tutuloy na sasakyan dito. Shoutout nga pala sa YouTube channel ni Alan. Nasa Pilipinas na ngayon, si The Neighbors, at ganoon din kay sa YouTube channel ni Mr. Junior Tila. Yan, shout out. Supportahan natin ang mga YouTube channel na ating mga kasamahan na bikers dito, mga Pilipino yan. So, pag diniretso mo, yan yung papunta ng bayan. Pag kumaliwa, yun yung bus namin, no? Yun, no? Yung bus, our service yun. There's only now, see. Shoutout sa ating pilot na Mr. Joseph Kabalakat, very handsome. See, guys, very handsome. See, matagal na kasama yan dito sa MRL. Pero working together long time ago. See, very handsome. See. like actor in the Philippines. Maybe if they go in Philippines, a lot of girl coming. Talo pa ako nito si Bakal kasama family niya. Ako wala. I tell your family here. That's why no homesick. Just talk. You talk. Shout out. You say hi. Mga kababayan. Pilipino. Kamusta? Bago ka lang sa YouTube channel ko, paki-subscribe naman po. Maraming salamat po. Shoutout kay Alan Fortuliano, ka-Divers. Kalalapag lang nun, galing Saudi Arabia to Philippines. Bakasyon. Sana all. Na to ay papunta sa bayan ng Alcards. Bali yung bilyan namin doon sa kabila na ito, yung bilyan namin. Yan yung McDonald's. Shoutout McDonald's. Baka naman. Yan na McDonald's dito sa Alcards. Tatlo McDonald's dito sa Alcards. Yan naglalakad sa alan kami.
But all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago. But all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. And call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
Shoutout sa YouTube namin sa YouTube. Income lang rin. Somebody watching this video.
Way back a year ago.
Yan yung masarap na kainan yan. Yan.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong, why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay.
Maybe I come Tuesday, I will go by bike.
Why you never said you felt that way? Guess strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray
This Friday.
as you fade away.
This is very easy because here you did play your sense. They also good way.
As you fade away.
Yun, bayan.
Yung gabi,
I need help, I'm going through hell. I fake like I'm fine, but I know you can't tell. Like nothing I found, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Ayan.
Cause you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
Ayan, Daiti Mall.
But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your
Tapos
blue
yung
eyes
Barangay
fade to
Stabler.
gray.
Maraming ginagawa dito na ano, ng mga coffee shop. Oh, Shalimar. Ayan, yung Indian food na dyan, Shalimar. May gina-construction dito, ayan o. Construction. Ayan, malapit na tayo sa SPL. Yun, nakailang balik na ako rito. Okay. Wala pa rin parcel ko, nasa Riyadh pa, wala pa dito sa regards. Kaya sarado yung matandaan. Sarado.
See there.
Ito, kabayan.
Yeah.
See? Handsome.
Kabayan, ha? Let's go. New for this, huh?
Yeah. Yours always damaged.
Yeah.
palpak kailangan paid. Kasi after tomorrow, my parcel still real. So I'm waiting until the message from the SPL. I'm very hot, that's why I go early. That's why I'm paid. Yan, dire-diretso na yan, papunta doon sa amin. Yan, pinabike namin ang hirap. Ahon. Yan, ahon yan eh, ahon. Shout out, dito na kami. Salamat sa subscribe.
Uy. Asyada. Budo.
Dito na lang sa muling
Wala.
paglalakbay.